everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bugs Kitchenette, and today's video, gagawa po tayo ng chicken salad, Chinese recipe. So, look at this. So, tara, turuan ko kayo kung paano. So, simple recipe lang talaga to. And, yeah, napakadaling gawin. So, let's go. So, ang mga ingredients natin guys, ito yung ating breast chicken. 2 piraso lang itong ginamit ko. Kasi good for 2 lang lutuin ko. And then, ginger, sliced ginger, spring onion, shredded carrots, shredded cucumber. Pwede nyo din thinly slice yun. And then, we need here also cilantro, onion. You can use white or red onion. And skip the chili if you don't want this one. And then minced garlic. And then we need here also chilies. For the seasonings, sugar, vinegar, light soy sauce, and oil. And we need here also sesame seeds. Ayan. So dito, kailangan natin muna hugasan ating chicken. After natin mahugasan, after nating mahugasan, so maglinis na yung tubig natin. So we're going to set aside first. So in the pan, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Iba-brine natin yung ating chicken. Stir lang natin ito guys na maigi. We're going to soak our chicken for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes guys, nagpakulo tayo dito ng tubig. So, papamulo na yung ating tubig guys. Lagayan natin yung ating chicken. And then yung ating ginger. And scallion. So, i-turn natin yung ating fire sa low heat lang guys for 15 minutes. 15 minutes lang guys. So, low fire yung ating gagawin dito. So, ayan. So, kayanan natin yan dyan for 15 minutes. Balikan natin. So, after 15 minutes, ito na yung ating chicken. Dapat ganyan lang siya guys, yung low heat niya. Ayan, hindi masyadong kumukulo yung tubig. Yung katamtaman lang. Kasi mawawala yung juice ng ating chicken breast. So, hanguin na natin guys. So, sa ating pan, maglagay tayo ng 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So, painitin na natin hanggang umusok yung... So, ayan, umusok na yung ating oil. So, turn off na natin to. Ito yung ating minced garlic. Ilagay natin yung ating chilies. And then, sesame seeds. 1 teaspoon yun yung ginamit ko. And we need here 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. And ibuhos natin yung ating sizzling olive oil. And then, i-mix lang natin guys. Ayan. So, we need here also 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. 1/4 teaspoon of sugar para ma-balance yung taste guys, and then we're going to mix it until ma-dissolve yung ating sugar. So, iset aside lang natin to guys. Yung ating chicken, pag lumamig to guys, kailangan natin itong i-shredded like this. So, ganito lang guys, medyo kakapal na pag-shredded, huwag masyadong manipis para medyo may midid na yung makakain. And then, we're going to add our carrots, our cucumber, our onion, and cilantro. After that, kailangan na natin itong ilagay yung ating ginawang sauce. So, Yan, ilagay na natin yung ating sauce. Then, haluin na lang natin. So, ito na siya. It's done na. See? Pwede dito lagyan ng peanuts. Cooked peanuts, guys. So, ayan, depende sa inyo. Ayan. So, medyo madami yung dalawang chicken breast, guys, no? So, ayan, good for 4 people na po to. Pero sa kanila, good for 2 person lang to. Kaya, masarap, guys. Tikman nyo lang. Hindi kayo magsisisi. Ano ko lang dito at ilalagay ko lang siya sa ref. Ayan. Dahil kakainin ko pa ito bukas. Ayan. So, tara, tikman natin yung ating luto. Sarap niya, guys. Promise. Simple lang talaga siya. So, kung nag-diet ka, okay to. Skip nyo lang yung chili flakes pag hindi nyo gusto ng spices, ng spicy. Kaya, ang sarap. So, kaya, i-try nyo na din. Thank you for watching. Bye!